In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Cloud Console app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. You can find this app on your Android device, usually represented by a colorful triangle icon. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the main screen of the Play Store. Here, you can browse through various categories and apps available for download. This is an essential step because the Google Play Store is the official app marketplace for Android devices. It ensures that the apps you download are secure and reliable. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is where you can easily find any app you want. When you tap on it, your keyboard will appear, giving you the option to type in what you're looking for. Make sure to position your fingers comfortably on the screen, allowing for a smooth typing experience. This action is important because it helps narrow down the vast selection of apps to find exactly what you need. Now type Google Cloud into the search bar. As you type, you might see suggestions that appear below the bar. This can help you quickly find the app you are looking for. Be sure to spell it correctly to avoid any confusion. Typing this search term is key to locating the Google Cloud app, which is necessary for managing your cloud resources effectively. Once you've typed that in, select Google Cloud by Google LLC from the list of results. The app should be easily recognizable, featuring a logo that represents Google Cloud services. Tapping on it will take you to the app's page where you can see more information, including its features and user reviews. This step is crucial because selecting the correct app ensures you are downloading the official version, which is safe and up to date. After that, tap Install. This button is typically green and located on the app's page. By tapping on it, you initiate the download and installation process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's important to note that this step guarantees that the app will be added to your device, enabling you to access its features whenever you need. Now wait for the installation to finish. During this time, you might see a progress bar indicating the download status. This is a good moment to be patient as the app needs to be fully installed before you can use it. Once the installation is complete, you can be assured that the app is ready to go, and you will soon have access to all its features. Next, tap Open. This button will appear once the installation is complete. By tapping it, you'll launch the Google Cloud app for the first time. You will be greeted by an introduction or welcome screen, which is designed to guide you through the initial setup. This step is vital because it allows you to start using the app immediately, getting you one step closer to managing your cloud resources effectively. From there, sign in with your Google account. If you already have a Google account, simply enter your email and password. If not, you may need to create one. Signing in is essential because it connects you with your existing Google Cloud projects and resources. This ensures that all your settings and preferences are tailored specifically to your account. Finally, select your Google Cloud project to start managing your cloud resources. The app lets you monitor services, view billing, access Cloud Shell, and manage resources on the go. This is a powerful feature as it puts the capability to manage your cloud directly in the palm of your hand. You will be able to stay on top of your cloud activities anytime, anywhere,